science, week 32, day 3. I'm doing science. I'm on page 21. So if you need to get to page 21. Okay. We're on unifying theme number 3. Okay. So this is interaction. Okay, how do living things interact with each other? How do they interact with non-living things around them? In Job 8:11, we are asked, can the papyrus grow on without a marsh? Can the reed flourish without water? How would removing one part of an ecosystem affect the other parts? All living organisms interact with each other. They are interdependents. So that's our first vocabulary word is interdependence. Okay. Is an interaction of living things as they rely on each other in order to live successfully. So, interaction of living things. So they said that all living things depend on something. So it doesn't matter if you think you're an independent person or not, you're gonna depend on your ecosystem for water, food, nutrition, warmth. Like, you need all those things to survive, okay? Without interdependence what interdependence is observed between an insect and a flower? Why does an insect need a flower, and why does the flower need the insect? The insect needs the flower for food, and the flower needs the insect to help pollinate so that it can make baby flowers, right? Okay. Think about a clover and bees. The clover needs the bees, and the bees need the clover. The clover provides nectar for the bees, which in turn pollinates the clover. They are interdependent for their survival. What are some other ways in which organisms are interdependent? How about lions and zebras? The lions need to eat the zebras, but the zebras actually do need the lions. Do you know why? Because they have other predators besides lions, like hyenas and cheetahs and stuff like that. And they need the lions around, even though they're going to get eaten by a lion. They need them around so that they can survive, because the lions protect their food. Does that make sense? So even they need each other. How do organisms interact with their environment? In addition to the interacting with each other, living organisms also sorry, I'm going to stop there. Okay, so interdependent means like they need each other, right? Okay. Okay, in addition to interacting with each other, living organisms also respond to the changes as they interact with the environment. Homeostasis, which is okay, so that is another vocab word, is the ability of an organism to keep its internal environment stable. So, ability to keep internal stable. So like your ability to keep yourself warm on the inside comes naturally. Does that make sense? You can, by drinking water and staying warm and clothed, you can keep your body on the inside functioning normally. That's homeostasis. For example, a human body maintains an average temperature of 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6. When the body fails to maintain this temperature, what will happen to you? Death may occur. When you get hot or cold, how does your body respond in order to maintain constant temperature. What examples can you see of homeostasis taking place in plants and living animals around you? Like, how do the trees know when to die and come back? That's homeostasis. It's like an internal workings that does it by itself. Okay. All unifying themes we've discussed so far, cells and their genes, biological organization, and interaction, are all things found in the branches of biology. All of them have something in common. Scientists can design repeatable experiments in the present to learn about them, more about them. Using scientific process, they can study the living things or the interactions of organisms in a system now and see the results of their experiments firsthand. Science is very good at doing that. The next unifying theme is much different because it deals with origins. And that's where we'll start tomorrow. Okay? See you tomorrow.